girls, so today's video is all about affordable concealers available in India. So if you want to know more about this, then please keep on watching. So you guys wanted me to do a video on affordable why I'm saying conditioners every time, concealers which are available in India. So I'm just going to share all the concealers which I use on my makeup. So starting, I have kept it under 500 only. So starting with the least, like what to say, very sasta wala concealer, and in that category I have this Color Essence pen stick in shade FS Natural Brown. I will put all the details of this product in the description box, so you can go and check that out. This is a little brown, like not of my skin, but I use this as to conceal my under eye area, because if you have seen my how to cover under eye circle, then in that video I have used this concealer, so it works pretty well to conceal the under eye circle. Another one is this Lotus makeup stick. This is in shade 730 and it retails for rupees 325, and sorry, this one retails for rupees 180, so retails for rupees 325. So yeah, and this is of my shade. I use this as if I want some like medium to buildable coverage, I use this one. So this is pretty good to conceal dark circles like blemishes somewhere around the nose, or like side of nose, around the mouth. Then this does a very good job, so I use this as a concealer as well. The next in the category is this Oriflame concealer, and this is the oldest concealer I ever have, so I don't have any details about this product. I just know the product number, and this is 2948. I don't have any idea about their pricing, because I guess it must be having some outer package and I just lost it. So on the packaging nothing is written, so it opens up like this, and it is a twist pen kind of a concealer, and this is the swatch of this concealer. This is pretty good, and it also conceals nicely. I used to use this, I use this product just to conceal here and there blemishes if I am having. So on that purpose I use this one. Now comes the most expensive one. This is from Maybelline's Dream Lumi Touch Concealer, and yes, it retails for rupees 600, but when I bought this it was on sale and I got this for 480 rupees. So yes, this one is a twist pan kind of a thing, and on the top it has a brush thing. It instantly gives the brightness to the area. I just use this one to give, use this one to highlight my feature, like bridge of nose, cupid's bow, chin, forehead. To highlighting my features I use this one. So yeah, these are the pretty 4 concealers which I have currently right now with me. If you have any concealers which you want me to try on, then please do let me know in the comment bar, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.